What's going on, guys? It's Tyson with Blevins Family Farm, and we're going to do a little different video today. I just literally got off work, pulling out right now, but the time is 5:01, which means I have just a little bit of time to get my chores done when I get home. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the top of them. Whoop, right back there. Got feed on my lunch break because there's no way I could do it when I got off work and still get everything done. So I got this idea while I was on a live chat the other night with Adler Farms. Me and him were kind of joking back, or not joking, back and forth on whether or not, or how much me and him disdain or despise this time change and having a farm. So, and by the way, if y'all haven't, y'all really need to go check out Adler Farms YouTube. They're flat out awesome. Chad and Case and Adler are really good. So anyways, guys, we're gonna pull out here and go feed the animals, and you're gonna see how much time or how much daylight I have from 5:01 to when I feed. So stay tuned, guys. That's the time. What sound do I make?
What's Uncle T say? 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 He just did it. What you say? What's Uncle T say? What's Uncle T say? Say hi.
Not yet. You'll be on the you'll have your own channel one of these days. All right, guys, you just saw the time me getting to the farm, so I didn't even pay attention. So it's 5:18, so I gotta get all that and stuff unloaded and then feed. Or yeah, I have to get some of it unloaded and then feed. So time is not on my side.
I mean, they're going crazy over there. They stood, two of them stood there and looked at that block all going.
They'll figure it out.
Yeah. Got 4 hens and a rooster.
Mm-hmm. Oop. Let me get into water. What? Oh, animal. Oh, Bubba. Yes, I know I need to fix this panel. You aren't hungry, are you? water. What, Blanche? What?
And look at the goat. Where are we going? Look at the goat.
Come on, littles. Come on. What, Bendy? They won't recognize you. You haven't been on here in a while. All right, guys, you saw me put the water in. Still got some more feed to unload. Time is now 5:40, and I still got some more watering to do. Losing sunlight very fast. So this is what you get to deal with on a farm on this time change. So much fun. No, you can't hardly see me, but anyways, just thought it'd be interesting for y'all to get to see what I have to do. But I'm gonna get these 5 bags unloaded, get the watering done, take a shower, then find me something to eat and be ready for bed. But that is how much fun it is during this time change. Gotta love it. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Guys, please, I have never asked this, but guys, go ahead and share the videos if you like them. It just helps the channel out a little bit. But share the videos, like the channel, subscribe. Like the video. See, I'm losing my mind. My mind's racing everything I need to do before it gets dark. Subscribe to the channel, like the video if you have, and hit the notification bell, let you know every time that I post a video. And as always, guys, I will see you on the next video.